In today's video, I'm going to teach you about transversals and parallel lines, and if you're given an angle, how to find the other angle. So I'll show you all those tricks, okay? So if we have a problem like this that says line segment RT and UW are parallel lines and angle SVU equals 140 degrees, what is angle TSQ? So let's look at that in detail. So let's review this. So line QX is a transversal since it intersects two other lines. So QX is this line segment, which is called a transversal. These two lines are parallel lines. Line segment RT and UW are parallel. That's what these two little arrows mean. That means the space in between these two never changes, so they never cross. It always stays the same distance apart. So let's review what corresponding angles are. Corresponding angles are located on the same side of the transversal and in a similar matching location. They are congruent or equal. So what does this mean? They're on the same side as of the transversal and in a similar matching location. Well, let's take a look at the angles that were given. Angle QSR equals angle SVU, since they are corresponding. So we are given angle SVU. So SVU we are given. It says it's 140. So what we're saying here is angle QSR is also the same because it is a corresponding angle. It's on the same side of the transversal and in a similar location. So see how that looks. So on the same side of the transversal and similar matching location. So we're given this, and because we're given this, we know that this angle also equals that, right? And we're trying to find this angle, TSQ. So now, line segment RT is a straight line, so we know it measures 180 degrees, right? So that means we know that QSR plus TSQ will equal 180 degrees. So when these two angles add up, they will add up to 180 degrees. So now we're trying to find angle TSQ. So let's move this variable over to the other side so it becomes negative. So angle TSQ equals 180 degrees minus whatever angle QSR is. But we know what angle QSR is. It's 140 degrees, right? So we just plug in the numbers. Angle TSQ equals 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, which equals 40 degrees. And that's it. Those are the steps to helping you find what this angle would be if you're given this angle. Okay? And that's it. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at this description. You'll find a link to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's a link there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.